Can I get a mic check, guys? Are we live? Can you hear me? Hi, guys. We're having some trouble with the internet. Apparently, I'm lagging out and I can't figure out why. So, we're gonna do the stream. If I start lagging, please bear with me, and I'm pretty sure the stream will catch up as soon as the lag stops. Now, welcome, guys. Welcome back to State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. This is your one source stop for all crypto related stuff. Like I said at the beginning, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only and for education. Please do your own research before you purchase any crypto asset or cryptocurrency. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. And if you're catching us on the replay, please leave a comment below. If you like what we do, subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep once the stream is done, you can do so at our Discord. The link is in the description. Now we're gonna start again with the news, and like we were saying, some experts think that the stock markets in China and the U.S. have been plunging due to tensions derived from the trade war. Now the Dow dropped 624 points, which is 2.4%, and the S&P dropped 2.4%. Now, in an article from Forbes, let me open that one. In an article from Forbes, it reads that the crypto is replacing fiat currency in troubled countries. However, they're only mentioning China, and they're not mentioning any other troubled countries where fiat is being replaced. We do know that Venezuela is one of the countries where people are seeking refuge in cryptocurrency. However, let's go into the article. It mentions that Bitcoin is skyrocketing in value because there are big buyers of Bitcoin in Asia who want to get out of the yuan and into dollars, or for that matter, into anything that is not correlated to the falling yuan. Now, without a doubt, okay, someone's saying that Mike is good. Excellent, thanks. Now, without a doubt, the fear of Chinese yuan devaluation has driven the price of Bitcoin up. That's what the article states. Do you guys believe that the recent pump in Bitcoin action is derived from the tensions of the U.S.-China trade war, or do you guys believe there's some other influence that's driving this price up? Let us know in the description and on the comments if you're catching the replay. Now, in other news, in Tehran, the Iranian government has introduced a new bill stating that activity involving cryptocurrency inside the country is illegal. The banking system will not recognize cryptocurrencies as legal coins, and the Central Bank of Iran will not guarantee their value. Mining digital currencies would be allowed inside the Iran under certain conditions, and they are: one, must obtain approval from Iran's industry ministry, and the second one is that they cannot mine the currencies inside a 30-kilometer boundary of all provincial centers, except for the capital, Tehran. And what I believe they're doing is, by not letting them mine within 30 kilometers, is they're going to have them mine far from the cities where getting electricity might be expensive, thus deterring them from doing mining activities. Now, in China, Bitcoin is legally recognized and protected as virtual property. However, China does not recognize Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency as legal currency. Therefore, any use of Bitcoin as currency is illegal. Now, the occasional peer-to-peer transactions are acceptable so long as they're in a small scale. And the ICO rule restricted the activity of cryptocurrency exchanges that are domiciled in mainland China because they're considered to be facilitating illegal fundraising and financial crimes. However, some exchanges continue to serve Chinese customers in crypto-to-crypto trading and to facilitate yuan to Bitcoin Tether pairs. And these exchanges are disguised as peer-to-peer over-the-counter transactions, and the payments can be handled between two parties through WeChat, Alipay, or Banking Wire. Though China's also trying to crack down on this. Now, the biggest risk on the peer-to-peer over-the-counter trading is that if you want to buy Bitcoin from someone, first you have to agree on the price with that party. Then you have to send them the cash, and once they receive it, they'll send you the payment. Now you're exposed to not receiving the payment once you pay, and that is a big risk. That's why a lot of the WeChat over-the-counter groups have very strict rules on dealing with new members, and they much rather just deal with the members that have been in the group long enough and that have a good track record. How much risk do you guys pose? I mean, not on the trade side. We do know that not getting the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency is a big risk. I'm talking with the Chinese government, how strict they are, how much risk or how much risk do you guys think this poses? You know, if they start cracking down on people, let us know in the comments or on the chat. Now, total market cap. Let's go real quick and look at the total market cap. And let's look at it on the daily. And apparently we're lagging again. There we go. Total market cap. We closed yesterday at 304 billion, which was 5.86% up from the prior day. And today has been going down. We're sitting at 299 billion, which is 1.66% drop from yesterday's closing, which was approximately 2.5 hours ago. We still have the whole day to recover. However, I believe we might have a red candle today. Now on Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin's still dominating, and it closed yesterday with a Marabazoo candle. There's no wicks on the top or the bottom, so the opening and the closes were the highs and the lows for the day. 26-month highs, and yesterday we closed 1.4%, which was from an opening of 69.51, closing at 70.5%. And Bitcoin right now is trading, it's losing dominance. It's sitting at 69.18%, which is a 0.19% drop. Now on to the Bitcoin news. And I just found this article on Bloomberg that says that it seems to support the feeling that the first article mentioned, stating that investors all over are seeking to refuge in Bitcoin to hide from the trade war between China and the US. Now, the first article said that China was only seeking refuge, but this says that more people are doing so. Now, it also states that Bitcoin appears to be acting as a safe haven for investors. Now, I do believe that Bitcoin could be a store of value and that investors might be seeking refuge on Bitcoin. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is why the price is going